Hi guys, NCWQ here. I have y'all looking at EMSC, and there was a 4.3 earthquake, Vancouver Island, Canada region, and it was 10 kilometers deep. We're going to go back and I'm going to show you how long ago this earthquake was. It was 3 hours and 9 minutes ago, and I've just been looking through EMSC at earthquakes, but I noted this one. And it is off of Canada, and it sits next to the convergent lines, the transform fault, and the divergent. But as we look, and we have noticed in the past that these earthquakes cause more activity going down this way, so I would expect to see more activity coming down the west coast. So just a heads up. Anyways, you guys, much love. Y'all be prepared and stay safe.